Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan protein powder taste good. To start, always choose a high-quality, unflavored, or lightly flavored powder as your base. This gives you more control over the final taste. Next, mix your powder with a creamy plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk, for a smoother consistency. Finally, incorporate natural sweeteners such as 1 or 2 pitted dates or a tablespoon of maple syrup to balance any earthy notes. To truly enhance the flavor, incorporate natural ingredients. Fresh or frozen fruits like half a banana or a handful of berries add natural sweetness and a pleasant texture. Don't forget about spices. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg can introduce a warm, inviting taste. For an extra layer of aroma, a small amount of extract, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla or almond, works wonders. Achieving the right texture is key to an enjoyable protein shake. For a thicker, colder consistency, blend your ingredients with a few ice cubes. To boost creaminess, consider adding healthy fats such as 1/4 of an avocado or a tablespoon of your favorite nut butter. Always use a high-speed blender and process for at least 30 seconds to ensure a perfectly smooth, lump-free drink every time. Don't be afraid to get creative with your combinations. Experiment with various plant milks, like coconut or soy, and different flavor pairings to discover what you love most. For a delicious chocolatey treat, a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder is an excellent addition. You can even blend in a handful of spinach or kale. It adds valuable nutrients, and you won't even taste it in your finished shake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.